I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make quick pesto pasta. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of fresh basil leaves, 1/4 cup of pine nuts, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Don't forget a good quality olive oil, approximately 1/3 cup, and your preferred pasta, around 8 ounces. We'll also use salt and black pepper to taste. Now let's create that vibrant pesto sauce. Start by lightly toasting 1/4 cup of pine nuts in a dry pan for a few minutes until fragrant. This enhances their flavor. Then, in a food processor, combine your 2 cups of fresh basil, 2 cloves of garlic, the toasted pine nuts, and 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. With the processor running, slowly drizzle in about 1/3 cup of olive oil until the mixture is smooth and well combined. Season with salt and pepper. Next, it's time to cook your pasta. Bring a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil and add your 8 ounces of pasta. Cook it according to the package instructions until it's al dente, which usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Before draining, remember to reserve about 1/4 cup of that starchy pasta water. This liquid will help emulsify the pesto and create a silky sauce. Drain the pasta, then immediately toss it with your freshly made pesto. To finish, if your pesto pasta seems a little thick, add a splash of that reserved pasta water, 1 tablespoon at a time, until you reach your desired consistency. This helps the sauce cling beautifully to the pasta. Serve immediately, garnished with a sprinkle of extra Parmesan cheese and a few fresh basil leaves for a burst of color and flavor. It's a quick, delicious meal perfect for any day. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Enjoy your homemade pesto pasta.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.